Multiply 43.26 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. The third partial product is 432,600. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. In the 10 negative thousands column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the hundred negative thousands column, bring down 4. The whole negative number product is 432,600. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 432,600 becomes 4,326.00. That is simply 4,326. So 43.26 times 100 is 4,326.